We live in a world of endless demands, a non-stop cycle of tasks and commitments. And yet so much of the tech we buy today feels like it's designed to fail, to become landfill, just as soon as the warranty expires. Another cheap gadget, another disappointment, another drain on your precious time and budget. Most gear is simply waiting for its planned obsolescence, leaving you frustrated and frankly out of pocket. But occasionally, just occasionally, something cuts through the noise. Something built to last, built to deliver. Today we're talking about the Spider Farmer Seedling Heat Mat Kit. Now you might think a heat mat is just a heat mat. And if you're battling inconsistent germination or trying to nurse fragile seedlings through a cold snap, you know the hidden friction cost, the wasted seeds, the lost time, the sheer mental overhead of an uncertain outcome. This kit, with its precision digital thermostat controller, is a time recovery tool. It delivers stable, uniform heat, warming the root zone by 50 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit above ambient in under 2 minutes. Think about a frantic Tuesday morning. Instead of fiddling with lights, worrying about temperature swings, or checking on dormant trays, this system gives you a predictable, controlled environment. You set it, you walk away. It's 10 minutes of your life recovered, 10 minutes of peace of mind, every single time you start a new batch. That adds up, exponentially. Pick this up, and you immediately understand where your investment goes. This isn't some flimsy sheet of plastic. Measuring 10 inches by 20.75 inches, it carries a noticeable heft. We're talking about a 5-layer structure, encased in heavy-duty PVC, with a double-layer insulating PET film protecting the heating elements. It's IP67 waterproof, so splashes and sprays are non-issues. There's zero flex, zero give. It feels dense, almost cold to the touch in its unpowered state, a testament to its robust engineering. This is the kind of gear that declares without words that you will never have to buy another one again. It's built for thousands of hours of reliable operation, designed to outlast, outperform, and frankly, outlive the average indoor gardening setup. Now, if I had one minor quibble, one small ergonomic compromise, it's this. The kit is unapologetically functional. The heavy-duty build, while ensuring incredible durability and heat consistency, means it's not exactly designed to vanish into your decor. It's a workhorse, not a show pony. It demands its space. But that's precisely the trade-off. That slightly bulkier profile, that lack of delicate design, is the direct result of the superior 5-layer construction and the robust waterproofing. You're sacrificing a whisper of aesthetic subtlety for bulletproof reliability. And frankly, that's a trade-off I'm willing to make every single time. Understanding this kind of durable reliability is key to smart spending. And smart spending always involves knowing the market. Amazon prices on the Spider Farmer Seedling Heat Mat Kit are in constant motion. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price in stock.